So our tip of the week is, Judy, what are you doing?
I'm using my cell phone, and that is the tip of the week.
Oh, well, let's give you some examples. For instance, when we tell you to go prune the roses in February, all you have to do is put in 6 weeks from that date to remind you to fertilize.
Another example is houseplants. If you put a reminder in your phone every week or two, then you won't have that tendency to overwater your houseplants.
And I'll tell you one thing that I always forget is, when did I last fertilize the lawn? Well, all you have to do is put that in every quarter and the phone will remind you.
So using your cell phone for gardening chores, that's our tip of the week.